Alright everybody, here's your big review of the Cars 2, number 7, Jeff Gorvette from Disney and Mattel. And on the back you get some other characters. You get MATTEL, Finn McMissile, Lightning McQueen, Francisco Benelli, Holly Shifron, and Professor Z. Let's get them open. He's a one and the only scale die cast from Mattel. He was also saw in Cars 2. I know the movie and it's really awesome. He's a die cast original from Mattel, and and on the back it says well Grand Prix, and there's some wheels you can play with. And also angry because he's kind of angry in the movie. He has this, but we don't know what it is, and these doors. So he'll open up and close. So there we go. That's a review of the Cars 2 Jeff diecast. Subscribe.